In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create and send invoices using Google Sheets. The process is not only efficient, but also very user-friendly, perfect for streamlining your invoicing tasks. Let's dive into it. First, let's open your Google Drive. By doing this, you'll have easy access to all your documents and the tools you'll need. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll want to click on the New button. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you can start creating a new document, spreadsheet, or other types of files. Next, you'll hover over Google Sheets in the drop-down menu that appears, and you should see an option titled More. Click on this option. This step will lead you to another menu where you'll click on From a Template. The template gallery will open up, providing various options for different documents you might want to create. Now, in the template gallery, look for the Invoice option and click on it. Google Sheets has made it incredibly convenient by providing this ready-to-use invoice template. The template opens up in a new spreadsheet, and from here, you can start customizing it. Inside the invoice template, you'll see several fields where you can input data specific to your needs. Here is where you make the necessary updates. Fill in details such as the recipient's information, description of items or services, quantities, rates, and any other relevant information your invoice requires. Be meticulous about entering the right data, as this ensures accuracy in your invoice. Once you've finished updating the template with all the needed information, the next step is saving it in a format that can be easily shared. Click on File in the Spreadsheets menu. A drop-down menu will appear, from which you'll select Download. The best format for sending an invoice is likely a PDF, as it preserves formatting and is universally accessible. Thus, you should click on PDF document.pdf in the download options. This step will convert your invoice into a PDF file, ready to be sent to your client. And there you have it. You've just created and prepared an invoice for sending using Google Sheets. This method is not only efficient, but also allows for easy replication and quick adjustments whenever needed. It's perfect for those who need a reliable way to manage invoicing without the hassle of more complicated software. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it aids in making your invoicing process as smooth as possible. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.